This video will guide you through pairing your smartphone with your Nissan Leaf II from 2017 to present via Bluetooth. This enables hands-free calling, audio streaming, navigation integration, and access to Nissan Connect features. We'll cover the process, troubleshooting tips, and the benefits of staying connected. First, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. On your Nissan Leaf's touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then Phone and Bluetooth, and select Connect Device. Your Leaf will then be discoverable. On your smartphone, select your Leaf from the list of available Bluetooth devices. When prompted, enter the PIN displayed on the Leaf screen on your phone to confirm the pairing. The standard PIN is usually 0000 or 1234. If you're having trouble pairing your smartphone with the Nissan Leaf II, start by ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system. Next, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system. This can resolve temporary glitches that prevent connection. If issues persist, clear the Bluetooth cache on your phone. Go to Settings, find Bluetooth Options, and clear the cache to remove stored connection data that might be corrupted. Delete any existing Bluetooth pairings on both your phone and the Leaf system. This forces a fresh connection and eliminates conflicts from old pairings. Finally, check for and install any available updates for the Nissan Connect software. Updates often fix pairing bugs and improve Bluetooth stability. Pairing your phone unlocks hands-free calling using Siri or Google Assistant. Voice commands allow you to make calls and receive directions through the car's speakers and microphones. Enjoy audio streaming from popular apps like Spotify or Apple Music. Bluetooth connectivity ensures high-quality sound through your Leaf's audio system. Contact syncing enables easy dialing from your phone's contacts. You can also access and read text messages aloud for safe, hands-free communication. Many Leaf owners, about 80% according to Nissan Connect app analytics, utilize Bluetooth connectivity for their daily driving needs. Starting with models from 2024, the Nissan Leaf II includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard features. These systems allow your iPhone or Android device to connect without cables, providing a wireless experience for navigation, music, and more. To set it up, first make sure your smartphone's Bluetooth is paired with the vehicle. This establishes the initial connection. Then, simply follow the prompts that appear on your Leaf's touchscreen to activate the wireless connection. Once connected, you'll enjoy seamless integration. Your phone's favorite apps, contacts, and music appear directly on the car's display. You can access everything from navigation and messaging to podcasts and weather updates, all controlled through the touchscreen or voice commands. This wireless technology provides a safe and convenient way to stay connected while driving your electric vehicle. Nissan regularly releases software updates to improve Bluetooth stability and compatibility in the Leaf II. The latest firmware, version 7.0.2, rolled out in late 2025, reduces connection drops by up to 30%. The system is compatible with iOS 15 and higher and Android 11 and higher, covering 95% of smartphones. Future Nissan Leaf models may incorporate ultra-wideband UWB Bluetooth for precise location-based pairing. Integration with 5G technology enhances connectivity and speed. Vehicle-to-everything V2X technology could make Bluetooth a gateway for advanced features, including AI-driven assistance for intuitive pairing and features. Prioritize safety by using hands-free Bluetooth features in your Nissan Leaf II. Hands-free calling allows you to make calls through the car speakers and microphones without touching your phone, keeping your focus on driving. For reliable connectivity, ensure your Nissan Leaf II software is updated. Recent updates improve Bluetooth stability and support features like wireless Apple CarPlay. Test your pairing regularly and stay within the 10-meter Bluetooth range for optimal performance. Maintain security by only pairing trusted devices. The Nissan Leaf II uses PIN authentication to prevent unauthorized access, aligning with automotive cybersecurity standards. By following these guidelines, you'll enjoy seamless Bluetooth connectivity while driving safely. Remember to check your owner's manual or the Nissan website for the latest updates and features.